What's up everyone, it's Cole. Today I'm on my way to my friend Caleb's house. This is the start of his drift build actually, on his E28 535. So let's see how this goes today. This car is full to the brim of mouse shit, so that'll be fun. You want to show us your car?
Hey! Oh, my door just break. Fix it. What's going on?
Tell us about your car.
Oh god. So it's a 1985 BMW 535i. Bought it from some lady for $300. Been female driven its whole life. It's got 150K on the clock. And it needs a fuel pump, so I don't know if it runs or not. So we're gonna find out.
Alright.
But today, thing stinks like mouse shit. You wanna see?
Yeah, show us.
So,
Oh
I don't know how good this camera is, but yeah, there's a dead mouse carcass there. There's a mouse nest back there. And it's just filled with mouse shit. And if you could smell this right now, you'd probably want to puke.
Yeah, that's
it's
right.
Pretty fucking bad. So, basically, we're gonna strip the bitch.
Alright, let's
Just
do
take
it.
everything out of it.
Drift car. M30. Nice.
Yeah, so this is the BMW M30. It's the 3.4. Big six, David, right? I guess this is the big six. Yeah, like I said, it's got 150K on it. It doesn't run right now, but we cranked it. Sounds pretty good.
Oh wait.
There's a mouse nest.
This thing's gonna be pretty sweet when it's up and running. You got the birthday boy out here, 17 years old. Starting on the interior now. Alright, this car is pretty fucking disgusting. It's honestly probably one of the worst smells I've ever smelled in my entire life. It's that bad. Interior is pretty nice though. It's a shame it has to go. There's really just no coming back from this odor of mouse shit.
Did you find any more rats yet? I found their home.
Oh, good God.
Disgusting. That's like a bum ass.
Oh, impressive.
Could have actually headed to the store. Oh yeah. If anybody needs seats for an E28, just let us know.
No. They're gonna get thrown away.
Yeah, these are garbage.
Oh, look at it.
Flip it over. Nothing left. Oh, it reeks. Oh.
I can feel how fucking saggy this shit is.
Yeah. Oh man.
Alright, seatbelts come out.
What's that, number 5?
Yeah.
5th dead mouse we found. Time to get the trunk now.
I'll vacuum it.
All this is my shit. Alright. Actually not too bad back here.
Yeah.
I thought it'd be a lot worse. There's actually one little mouse nest back there. Oh, that's so bad. There you go. Oh! Oh! Alright, it's time to tear out this carpet.
Oh.
There we go.
Yeah, we don't need this.
No. Alright everyone, that's going to be it for this video. We stripped out pretty much the whole interior. Just discovered that it's full of ants now, so we got to deal with that. Definitely stay tuned for the next episode of this drift missile build. It's going to be good.